post where they said that you lose your sparkle when you become. Actually, you don't. You don't unless you choose to lose it. But even if you lose it, you can still find it anytime you want. And here's how I did it. Not necessarily telling you you're wrong, huh? I'm just sharing. When I got pregnant, when I decided to have a baby, I knew exactly how to best take care of myself because I decided to do it alone. I did not depend on other people, not even my own family. Because at the end of the day, when I decided to start my family, I didn't really wish or think or expect that I would have my family to support me. I just had the advantage of losing more weight when I gave birth instead of gaining it. That's what happened to me. I gained weight, of course, by being pregnant. But when I gave birth and was breastfeeding Tony a lot, that's when I lost all of my weight. Prior to giving birth or prior to getting pregnant, I had a 28-inch waistline. When I gave birth to Tony, oh my goodness, niabot pa siya 24. I was that skinny. Because I was breast pumping, I had a very strict diet because Tony had tummy problems. He was very colicky, so I was put on a very strict diet that I only was allowed to eat 10 things. So I ate the same meal 2 to 3 times a day for 8 months. So you can imagine how much weight I lost. And that is why I did not lose my spark. I actually lost my spark when, pandemic came. Instead of, taking care of myself, I was focused on taking care of Tony and the family that we had. And then the time that I tried to bounce back, that's when I met Ed. And when I met Ed, of course, again, I let myself go because I already, had a husband. And now I am on my way to regaining, that confidence and that spark. It really is based on 2 things. On the choices you make as a mother. On the choices of what you should prioritize. Sa akin kasi, I have to prioritize myself because I refuse to pour from an empty cup. I cannot be a good wife. I cannot be a good mother. I cannot be good to others if I am not good to myself. So, I always make sure that even if I'm tired, I am allowed to rest. That I will not be pressured by other people's opinions because I should be listening to myself. You don't lose your spark or sparkle if you choose to manage everything in your life. But again, it's a choice. Ako kasi, when I met Ed, I made him understand what it is that I need. What it is he has to do so that I am able to function as he expects me to function. Because it takes 2 to tango, especially in a marriage. I am not afraid of having another child, of technically losing myself again. Because again, it's all of the choices that I make. Every choice I make has a consequence. You don't lose your sparkle if you choose to have a plan to gain it back. But it also depends on how you manage even your partner. Because if you marry wrong, mauna malusyang jud ka. Because you have a partner that does not value how you value yourself. You have a partner that does not take his end of the deal seriously, mo nang malusyang jud ka. And ang pagkalusyang, it's either natural, it happens. Number 2, you can manage it. You can manage it by, again, choices, smart choices that you make. Because let's be honest, to regain your sparkle or spark, you need money. And either you make your own or you have a partner that is generous to you. And you are able to, make smart choices. Because it really everything that happens to you, even by deciding to become a mom, is a choice. What to do during your pregnancy, another choice that you make. Losing your sparkle is also normal. It happens. But also, it is the choices you make to get it back. It's the choices you make to regain it. So, hindi ka dapat matakot of motherhood. Matakot ka na mali ang kasama mo pag naging nanay ka. Matakot ka na yung anak mo ay magkakasakit. Because that's one of the things talaga that will make you losyang. Syempre, stress. And number 3, it is what you prioritize. Kasi yun talaga ang mindset ko. I cannot perform up to par if I am empty, if I am not happy, and if I am not mentally capable of making smart decisions. So that's that. Your spark is simply your outer being. What matters most is your mental health and your well-being on the inside. Are you healthy? Are you taking care of your body? Are you taking care of your mind? Are you going to different things or doing different things to uplift yourself? Because sometimes we make the wrong choice of choosing a partner that does not want the best for us. We choose partners that drain us. So it is up to us to uplift our spirits because we know we have responsibilities to take care of our children and our spouses and ourselves. But yun nga, I have a mindset, uunahin ko ang sarili ko because my happiness, well-being, wellness, and everything that happens will be a reflection or will reflect on what type of family I have. Because that's my choice. Okay? As a mother and as a wife. So that's that. Nakita ko lang kasi yung video, di ba? Na you lose your sparkle, ganyan-ganyan. And then you compare the before and the after and all of that. Then why did you choose to have children? Kasi yan yun. Nobody's forcing you. Nobody's forcing you to go through these things. And yes, it does happen. But again, ibabalik ko talaga yan sa'yo. It's your choice. Because it all boils down to what you choose. That's why I would never advocate to have kids. Uy, magkaroon ka rin. No. Have money. Be financially stable, be mentally stable, be spiritually stable, and be honest with yourself. Because motherhood isn't easy and it's not for everyone. That's why not a lot of women are good mothers. They may be good at other things, but they're not good mothers. So it's something that you should consider. But you shouldn't be afraid to lose your sparkle. Because the sparkle happens when you chooses it to. When you choose to regain it. Kasi wala namang losyang na nag-effort, na may pera, na alam mo yun, na hindi gaganda. That's impossible. Kasi like ako, I choose to be a mom, right? Alam ko, nung naging nanay ako, syempre, lumuwang ang lahat. Pati boobs ko, diba? Nag-Southside Chicago ang boobs ko. Kaya nalaman ko, nung naging, diba, I have to lose weight. Yun yung unang sinabi sa akin ng doctor ko. Kahapon, that's what he said to me. Lose weight. And then when I am ready to have my boobs done, if I ever consider having another child, then I'll have it done. Kasi ganun nga yun, choice. Especially when you have to take care of yourself. Kasi even yan, choice yan. Napiliin mo ang sarili mo. Uunahin mo yung sarili mo. Because marami sa mga babae talaga ngayon, magigilty ka na unahin mo yung sarili mo kaysa sa mga anak mo o kaysa sa asawa mo. Diyan na ngayon. That's the difference now when you marry wrong. When you marry a man that does not value you. Diba? Na instead of encouraging you to choose yourself, yung partner mo, iniinsulto ka pa kasi naging losyang ka na. Eh ako kasi, of course, built in sa akin ang pressure. I married somebody very young. Diba? I married a man that is 8 years younger than me. So I have to keep up with the times. Diba? You can be... kasi di lang enough na burikat ka, be. Dapat din yung panlabas na anyo. Pero yun nga. Choice lang talaga yan, mare. The losing of the sparkle may be natural because it's really our way or it happens talaga when we go through pregnancy and giving birth. But it's all a choice to bring it all back. Your choice. Again, all on you. Kaya huwag ka matakot. Be faithful in your capability to bounce back from anything, even choosing to be a mother. So yun lang. Ingat!